Hi, my brothers and sisters in Christ. Uh, Today, I would like to discuss about again the rapture time frames with the COVID vaccine mandatory and the New World Order Agenda 21 when this thing will begin. Okay. I found out some Christians believe we have to face persecution and the mandatory vaccine itself. Is that true? This is kind of like the doctrine for the Christian who believe post-tribulation rapture. Is that correct? This is have the related each other. Even though some Christian maybe think, oh, we have to face mandatory vaccine and see the New World Order Agenda 21 when this thing began. Is that true? And also the permanent lockdown, strictly lockdown. This is the real lockdown, the one, the second lockdown. The first one only the testing. Okay, there are some countries already have the second lockdown, strictly lockdown. Okay, let me show you first. This is I show you the picture of where the rapture time frame is this year to 2027 when the tribulation timeline. Unless when this happen, yeah, the a lot of people already know. I'm sure it could be already. The vaccine will be available by spring or April next year. I bet just a few months after the vaccine available, especially in the richer countries, yeah, or developed countries like United States, Canada, Europe, and the other like Australia, New Zealand. Okay, they will do that first, depopulate the world, of course, this New World Order agenda, but they will do it for developed countries first or richer countries first, and the third world country or poorer countries, they don't care as much, but they will do that also later. Okay, here I would like to show you the biblical evidence for, okay, see the rapture time frame before the lockdown. I mean, not because before the lockdown, before COVID vaccine mandatory, and yes, before that time. Because why? Let me show you the biblical evidence first. All right, from Matthew 24. All right, and here it says, yeah. Okay, I would like to discuss this also. A lot of people said, we cannot know the days and the hours. Angel, they don't know. Only God the Father, even Jesus doesn't know. Well, that's wrong. Jesus is God himself. He is, when in the form of human being, he was fully a human and fully a God still. Okay, is his deity, but he limited himself at the time. Okay, but now surely as a son of God, and he's already in the glorified body, he knows, just like God himself. He is the same like God. He knows the time. Okay. Beside, this is about, see, the heaven and earth shall pass away, but my words shall not pass away. This verse before, this verse 35, before the verse 36. But of that day and hour, no man, not the angels of heaven, but my Father's only. This talking about the heaven and earth shall pass away. Nothing to do with 7 years tribulation, not about rapture time frame, not about Jesus second coming time frame. No, this is about heaven and earth shall pass away. heaven and earth shall pass away. This is about after the millennial kingdom is over, or 1,000 years. The 1,000 years reign with Jesus Christ is over. Okay, and the judgment, stuff like that, I mentioned I think already in the other video. This is talking about that. After that, heaven and earth shall pass away, and God, I think, He will build all together after, during millennial kingdom, after Satan get loose again and tempt human being, then and stuff like that, and God after that just the human being people, then after during the 1,000 years, and then after that the earth and heaven, during millennial kingdom, the heaven now, the third heaven where God the save people, soul or spirit, and Jesus himself, the host of heavens like angels, will come down to the earth after God created it again. After 7 years tribulation is over and God created it again. But then after the millennial kingdom, God will destroy it again and rebuild or recreate the earth, the new earth again. This is talking about that. Nothing to do with 7 years tribulation, rapture, or Jesus second coming time frame. Okay? And, okay, this is, and I mentioned also before I forgot, okay? And here, see, people should know the time frame is better. So we are ready all the time. Okay? Do not become like Pharisee. It says here, okay, where is that? Yeah, hold on. This is a our father, yeah. I think this is wrong. Ini nih, wrong. First, the one I would like to know, yeah. I would like to show you. Anyway, I think Matthew 18. Let's see if I can find it. If I don't want to video become too long. Let's see if I can find that verse. It's not that one, yeah. So yeah. Anyway, I think somewhere in Matthew, I forgot which one. Do not be hypocrite, okay? Just not become like Pharisee or Sadducee, yeah. You can predict the word. You can predict the weather, like rain, wind, just like today. Human being just predicting the weather. They can know that, but you cannot predict this time or the end times. No, so you should predict the end times. Okay, this is very clear in 1 Thessalonians 5. It says, you see, and a lot of people, Christian, I'm sure they know that we should know the time and the season. Okay, if you don't, you not pay attention when Jesus coming or his return, he will come like a thief in the night. Oh, a lot of people, Christian, quote this verse. Oh, Jesus, we don't know the day and hour, and Jesus come like the thief in the night. This is wrong interpretation. You have to pay attention. The only one, Jesus come like the thief in the night for the children of the darkness. You see, if you read again this passage, okay. But for the children of the light, the one who they are not children of the darkness, yeah. Then Jesus not come like the thief in the night. Okay, Jesus come not like the thief in the night, because they know the time and the season. It's the same thing like here in Matthew 24 too. Okay, the good servant, not the wicked servant, yeah. It's not the guy, he sometimes people not thinking, oh no, the hours, okay? The hours as you think not. Okay, you should be ready because the hour as you think not, the Son of Man come. Like this, what is this? Yeah? The blessed servant. Okay, but the evil one, thinking the Lord delay his coming. We cannot be like that. Okay, so it's okay. We predict the time. Maybe I should show the proof. Hold on. Let me Google it the first. Let's see. So to prove I just Google it. Sometimes I forgot the verse, yeah, or the chapter from the Bible. It said, oh, Matthew 16, not Matthew 18. No. Let's see. Matthew 16. Okay, Matthew 16, yeah. Not Matthew 6, not Matthew 18. You can see? Alright, yeah. You can read yourself. Okay? Jesus said, Jesus, yeah, said unto them, you can know the weather. Alright? But you cannot discern the time. This wicked adulterous generation like today, seek after the sign. Okay? Okay. So this like it says in Matthew 16. Okay, back to Matthew 24. I would like to go back. So we have to predict the time. Nothing wrong. It's not sin. We can nothing in the Bible says Christian can go to hell because predicting the time, this end times. No, this is just an excuse from the lukewarm Christian, carnal Christian who do not want to Jesus coming in their lifetime. They just want they love more the world than Jesus himself. This is not the true Christian. They're not born again Christian like that. Okay, and I would like to tell you this. See, the heaven and earth. Okay, I discussed this already. But as the days of Noah shall also the coming of the Son of Man be. But see, when the days were before the flood, they were eating and drinking, marrying and giving in marriage, until the days the Noah entered into the ark. And here it says, okay, it is talking about the rapture. Not until the flood came and took them all away. So shall also the coming of the Son of Man be. Then shall to be in the field, the one shall be taken and the other left. To women shall be grinding at the mill, the one shall be taken and the other left. Okay? Watch therefore for ye know not what hour your Lord that come. This talking about the rapture. Okay? The people who working in the field, one is taken, the other left. This during 7 years tribulation, no such thing. People, majority general people can work. Not much work, not much job available. People have to be aware. The economic crisis, not much food available. Famine, food is so scarce, and is even water. People have to be aware. This is not during 7 years tribulation. No such thing. People still happy, marrying, eating and drinking, giving in marriage during 7 years tribulation. No such thing. Even during the lockdown. Lockdown is still. I'm talking about I'm talking about the vaccine mandatory, or when the New World Order Agenda 21 starting effect, take effect in this world. People not happy with during at that time. If people they government, Thailand government threaten, yeah, not allow people to have the job, not allow people to go to school, not allow people to go to grocery or supermarket, not allow people to go to restaurant or anything to buy the food. We thought the vaccines identification, okay, we thought vaccine proof evidence, they not allow it, but once they become mandatory. And also I want to prove or show you the same thing in Luke 17, okay, even more detail than during the rapture event. This is the same thing, okay, where like the days of Noah shall be the days of Jesus coming, the Son of Man. They did eat, they drank, they married wife, they were given in marriage until the day that Noah entered into the ark and the flood came and destroyed them all. This is talking about when people still happy, marrying, drinking, still a lot of food available during at that time, like today. Okay, the same thing like the days of the Lord. They did eat, drank, and they bought, they sold, they planted, and they built it. Even this more detail, the one from Luke, the Bible in Luke, book of Luke. See, they some people still bought, sold, planted, and built it. During at that time, during 7 years tribulation, not many people build what is this? The house, the building for business, or they have the business, selling stuff, or retail store open, or grocery store, or supermarket open. Nothing like that. You got to aware that. Not the freedom people can eat, drinking, have good time like that. No, not in 7 years tribulation. That's why I want to expose also about post-tribulation rapture is false. It's not the doctrine from the Bible. This is the doctrine the demon make. Satan love it. Satan want more people to be left behind. From the rapture, much more people get left behind, especially the church, the Christian. He love it. The church should be ready at all time. Do not be left behind. See, okay, and this is also talking about the rapture. See, this I discussed before already the video about remember Lot's wife. If you do not want to be left behind, do not love this world more than Jesus Christ Himself. Do not worry about your loved one who still, don't believe Jesus Christ, or the lost people, even though they're including your loved ones, family, friends, relative people, So not worry about the treasure of this world, or your property, your house, your stuff like that, your money, anything like that in the world. If you worry about that, you cannot make it for the rapture. It's very clear. I explained before at the other video, okay? And it's very clear. It's talking about even the men, when they're sleeping in the one bed, the other taken and the other left. It's talking about the rapture. The other left behind. It's not talking about during 7 years tribulation. No, this is to women. To women when they're still working. One is taken, the other left, just like in book of Matthew. But in book of Matthew, do not mention about people who are still sleeping when that rapture event happen. Okay, this in the field, when people working in the field. One taken, the other left. So, yeah, I mean, talking about this, they are more clear, yeah. During this 7 year tribulation, definitely nothing like this: eating, drinking, marrying, and giving in marriage. But when once the agenda 21 from New World Order begin next year, this is not too long again. This is already the end of November, just less than a few months. Okay, this by then when they have the vaccine, I bet after, like I said already, after the vaccine is available, and it's not too long, just a few months, it sure happen vaccine mandatory, and the lockdown is more severe, it's more strict, you know. People cannot go to grocery store like they want to, and the food, and cannot have the job if they don't have the vaccine. They cannot have the, yeah, cannot buy the food. You know, I just can't understand this. In New World Order imitate what it says, what Antichrist will do in the middle great tribulation. Like it says in Revelation 13, you know. Revelation 13, no one who can buy or sell without the mark of the beast. Even though I mentioned already, the vaccine is not the mark of the beast, but precursor or paving a way for the mark of the beast to come. Mark of the beast physically, not spiritually. Spiritually, people have to worship the beast himself or Antichrist. So talking about this, yeah, I mean, no one have freedom anymore during this new world order agenda will start next year, you know, and then the vaccine mandatory come. When that time, they already starting to reduce the food supplies. People have to be aware supplies, and when the food is not enough in the country, nothing like this during the lockdown, nothing like this, you know. No people have to party. Even now, they limited people have the party. You hear already or not? This Thanksgiving, okay? Thanksgiving, then certainly states in United States, they not allow people have Thanksgiving party more than 10 people in their own home. If they have the party in their own home, they have to wear masks. Ridiculous or not? This is not right. This is tyrant government who want to control the people with the accused with this COVID pandemic. And yeah, and also, you know, there are many dreams and vision mentioned, I think from several years ago, even last year I heard about the Thanksgiving, it has been canceled because something happened. I don't know whether this year or not. Could be because that vision, somebody I mentioned already, yeah, a man saw the year 2020 from the Lord, the warning for the year 2020 or this year. So could be has Thanksgiving is canceled because something big happened, or major problem, or terrorist attack from inside job, or the war. We don't know. With this happen with the presidential election, fraudulent voting for presidential election, something not right, very wrong. Okay, so I just see, I mean they already said in mainstream media the Thanksgiving should be canceled. They're talking about, yeah, for the big party in the hotel, or just saying, yeah, for the big event, no Thanksgiving. Even though people want to celebrate Thanksgiving for their own family, they also limited. Now, people cannot have the freedom to take a trip from one state to another state. This is talking about United States. Worse in New Zealand and Australia, or I know, yeah, some part in Europe too. Okay, so this not happy time like that will be much worse by next year. The food even maybe cost expensive, more expensive, maybe a skyrocket skyrocketing and increase the price by next year. No such thing the activity like this. This is still not 7 years tribulation yet. By next year. So I believe this rapture event could happen before vaccine mandatory. Even many dreams and vision already confirm it. Plus this scripture evidence. No such thing like this. During the permanent lockdown by next year, in a lot of countries, people already lost their job. A lot of business become destroyed already because of New World Order agenda. No people have eating and drinking, marrying, giving and married at that time. Even like the first lockdown, people want to have big party for wedding party or wedding reception. They cannot do that. They have to do that only with the family members, not too many people. Not with 100, more than 100 people, really. No. Even they cannot do that. Worse by next year, not such thing like this. People can get married, yeah, but no wedding reception. But this happy time like that, not like that by next year. So I believe rapture could happen by the end of this year during Christmas season, unless the vaccine mandatory been postponed or something happened with the interruption from God himself, because they are all human, yeah. Satan who do his job through this New World Order globalist elites, okay, to destroy humanity, to depopulate the world, because Satan himself hate human being. So that's why they want to do that such thing, okay. And it's, yeah, you see, this talking about that great reset. See, maybe you can Google it yourself what it says in this world. They can talking about for talking about the economic or government stuff. No, behind that they're talking about the global reset, the part of New World Order agenda. This is what they're doing. Okay, and yeah, I mean this thing, people have to be aware, have to be ready for the rapture all the time until Jesus come. And if the rapture not happen, still not happen this year, if I bet God will interrupt what they're doing. God more powerful than these crazy people. People have to be aware. You know, this talking about the great resetting, the New World Order inspired. Okay, I do not show all the word what I found, yeah, because if not I get banned from the YouTube. I'm just telling you now what I remember. What New World Order was, okay, for this world is new world, one world government, one world religion, one world economy. That I'm sure many Christians know that, many people know that. But they have more than just like that. Okay, this we can tell from what they're doing now with the accused COVID scamdemic, you know, and the vaccine is coming. With connection with this vaccine, have something technology to implant to the people other than to alter our DNA. Okay, so this New World Order inspiration, I'm sure they want to reduce the population, okay, and people don't have right to own their property, land, home, stuff like that. They don't have right to have the own business, no, other than government himself. All property, home, land, businesses, car, yeah, and also people cannot have cars. They're all under government's control, all owned by government. Even the people already have homes before, already paid off, no longer making home payment. Could be, I mean, they don't have right. I'm sure government will take away their homes. You don't know. So in the other thing, yeah, they cannot have their house, all government's belonging, no cars, no farm, no livestock. So people cannot have the farm. And the children raised by government. Government will educate the children. We don't know what I'm sure government will educate just kind of like satanic principles. So the kids, then after that, the next generation become more wicked again. Wicked, this already like wicked generation. How about then? What government, satanist government created, the kid become like monsters. Okay, and the other thing, yeah, what they want to do, microchip everybody, just like this, using this tactic, COVID scamdemic with their vaccine to control everyone. All right, so and they install 5G, I think connection with related with this controlling to chip everyone, and so they want to track, government want to track everyone. Okay, other than the reducing the population, the people who they keep, they just want to do like that. This their inspiration. What I heard also, the other thing, they want to if by the time less people, of course they need people to do the work. The one who do more work, the robot, the computer. They don't need the people anymore. These elite global monster people. Okay? They don't need people anymore. Too many people. They don't like too many people. And they think their own family is their own people is the one who must control the world. Okay? They to be aware, these people have the intermarried. They only marry from their own blood and family descendants, not outside their bloods. So they think, yeah, like for us, they smart and intelligent. They have the power. Okay, while we are as a commoner or a peasant, we are nothing. We are stupid, idiot, and worthless. It's not worthy. Worthless for them. That's why they want to kill as many as they can. Maybe they only keep the one they want, still the younger people they can control. It's not, they don't keep elderly, they don't keep the people who have too many health problem or a lot of pre-existing condition or chronic disease. No, I'm sure they have the plan, want to kill all these people through this COVID vaccine. Okay, of course they don't tell straightly about what they're planning like that, because they just want to make accuse with this scamdemic, so people can become get deceived and obey their rules. All right. So the situation like this, like I mentioned earlier, in this people have to pay attention with Bible says during Agenda 21 begin next year. Even in 2020, it makes things worse. I don't think the rapture could happen until that late. Could be still this year, unless God have another plan. Unless that dream and vision not from God. Yeah, the one I'm talking about. A lot of dreams and vision I found it this year. Yeah, I never seen before. Not like the year before. Yeah, a lot of people get a warning from God, says the rapture is in 2020. Okay, and yeah, I mean, from looking at these verses in the Bible, it's not the timing during the lockdown. I mean, yeah, the lockdown, we still have the lockdown. I'm talking about Agenda 21 already applied, already in processing by next year, and by the time not much food available. Yeah, I mean, not as still as bad like during 7 years tribulation, of course, but still already starting get bad. Nothing like situation like this. More or so, not in 7 years tribulation. That's why post-tribulation rapture is false. The correct one, pre-tribulation rapture, we are expecting for the blessed hope from God. The one, Jesus Christ is not the wife beater, is not the wife abuser, not the wife, for the bride of Christ. No, it's not like the bride of Christ become suffer like that. And one thing I want to discuss also before I end this video, yeah, a lot of post-tribber or people who don't believe the rapture, you pre-tribber, people who believe pre-tribulation rapture, you're not ready to face 7 years tribulation. You will take the mark of the beast. And the same thing, this vaccine mandatory thing. You will take the vaccine because you are weak. They attack the pre-tribulation rapture believer, weak Christian. No, it's in the reality opposite direction. The people who always watch for Jesus coming and be careful, with their life and not to sin willfully, obey with God's commandment, more likely have more obey to God's commandment even during the 7 years tribulation. If the rapture happen at the second coming or pre-tribulation wrong, I don't think so. If they have like that, they have more pre-tribber. I think they have more they're more faithful to God. They have more strength to face the mark of the beast, even including vaccine mandatory. Mandatory. It's not like post-tribers who just talk 2 months rather than do it. No, it's not like that. They're more likely, because during this we waiting for the Lord coming, we more like the Christian like that, more likely obey God's commandments. They not sins willfully, okay? Sin as like they want to, or abuse God's grace under Jesus Christ's name. They're not like that. But post-tribber, they're thinking, rapture later, wait until 7 years tribulation, so I can sin as like I want to. Okay, this is I give this example. This is proof, the evidence. Pre-tribbers have more strength and more obey God's commandments, even though just saying no rapture before 7 years tribulation, or the pre-tribbers become left behind. I think they're more obey to God. Okay, could be post-tribbers become they have strength to obey God because during 7 years tribulation they awake. Who knows? All right. So the reason I'm making this video, I want to encourage people to keep watching for the rapture. Do not be discouraged. Okay, do not be discouraged. The rapture still not coming. Do not be afraid, not worried about vaccine mandatory is coming by next year. No, God does not give the spirit of fear. Okay, so yeah, He encourages us all the time, trust Him all the time, and I believe, even though if we just saying I'm wrong, okay, the rapture will not come this year, and we still have to face vaccine mandatory. God, trust God. He protect his children. Just like people in the 7 years tribulation, the left behind people, if they trust God, they are true Christians, okay? When the time the demonic attack, Satan attack the people, and also, yeah, stuff like that, Antichrist want to, I'm sure some people get captured also, but I'm talking about the demonic attack. God protect them. The same thing like Israel in Revelation 12. The woman in the desert, okay? That Israel. He protect them, and he, even though not much food, famine is so bad during at that time, he provide whenever necessities for them, the food including. Alright, so trust God and see what will happen.